So how does one reflect the accuracy or precision of a number in the way that it's recorded? And that's done by paying careful attention to the number of significant figures to which a number is recorded. Now, there are three main levels that we're interested in: a single number, a single operation, and mixed operation. A single number is just that. It's a number that's all by itself, and the question is, how many significant figures does that number have? And so there's going to be three videos, one that follows that, and one that follows that one. And we will address all three types. Now, regarding a single number, such as this, a question would be possibly on an exam: how many sig figs does this number have? Does it have 5 sig figs or does it have 4 sig figs? How many significant figures does that number, should it actually be recorded to? The second case, a single operation. By that, I mean it's two or more numbers that are mathematically operated on each other. And we're only going to deal with 4 mathematical operations in this class: multiply, divide, addition, subtraction. That's all we need to worry about. So, for example, if you have the number 12.030 and you're adding the number 0.040, my calculator gave me 12.430. But is this how I should really record the number? Is that correct? Or should the number actually be recorded 12.43? Or should it just be 12.4 and only use 3 digits? We'll have one video that discusses single operations. And finally, there's mixed operations. And that's where you have at least one multiply divide and you have at least one addition subtraction. For example, 12.030 plus 0.040 divided by 0.020. You can see that we have an addition subtraction functionality in it. And we also have a multiply divide functionality in it. And so because we have both of these, that would be what I would call a mixed operation. And we'll have a video that will cover mixed operations. Finally, let me say that this is cumulative. You can't really learn how to do single operation questions unless you can do single numbers. And you can't do mixed operations unless you can do single operations. So these are cumulative. And if you have to focus on just one thing, you have to be able to do that. That's the lowest level of questions. Now, a little warning here. This is a core concept. And what that means is it's going to be asked a lot throughout the semester. Some topics may show up 1 or 2 questions on one test, maybe 1 question on the final exam. So if you don't really learn it, it doesn't hurt you so much. Some things are core concepts. They come up over and over and over, and if you don't know them, they're going to bird dog you all semester long. So this is your first really core concept that I've given you. So you need to not only know about sig figs, you need to master the concept. And by the way, there's just an enormous wealth of information out there on the web. If you don't like the way I teach it, do a Google and find something else. At the end of the day, the rules are pretty much set. The big difference is just the way people present it.